We installed the drip watering system in our garden. The corn and the sweet potato area is the last section of the garden to have the drip irrigation system installed since the replacement part of the timer finally arrived. We set up the drip watering system on automatic timer schedule to water different sections of the garden simultaneously throughout the week. If we manually water our entire garden, it will take at least 2 to 3 hours of manual watering. Usually, manual watering is overhead watering, which does not give deep watering and water does not penetrate deep into the ground where the roots are. It takes money and effort to install this watering system, but it's worth spending and using, especially if you have a bigger garden area to water. We reuse drip watering system every garden season. We don't buy all the time, especially the main pipeline, the timer, and we reuse the good drip tapes too. We only buy parts that are broken and the ones that need replaced. Automatic watering system is not a requirement, but it's a great option to have if your budget allows. How's your gardening? What do you use in your garden for watering your plants? Happy gardening!